to walk and chat me. And so when time Uncle Donald come leave the White House, he's going to leave me stranded. Alone I tell you. This morning early, when you see the helicopter lift up, and him say, girlie, nobody turn up on the runway where you normally turn up on, but to a secret location and wait for me. See them here, me water SLC crackers me love, and I want to look. Come look, me make sure pack me good because him say, looking at it, come looking at it. Because him say, girlie, which part we are going? We are going to have dry goods because no gas or no sinking no dig, so me make sure pack. And me say, me couldn't even get suitcase, me love, me just grab what me can grab and run out of the White House because me leave up there, me desecrated. And me say, you know what, this is the one where they call him Miss Nancy she. Yes, but the Miss Nancy Poluski she. Me say, let me tell you something. You're going to live to see Uncle come back into the White House, eat your heart out. See there? Even me come and fan. Me not left it. See that? Me not left me fan and me buy it. And me here say Air Force One cold. The helicopter where them a come for me in a very cold. Me love so me carry me blanket. Hold on, me hear it. See that? See the helicopter there? Captain! Yes, me love. Me say see the helicopter man them there. No man, you can't land wait for no. Me tell you say Uncle Donald send him for me. Right? You think so? I said they go? Uh-huh. That guy you come quick, man.
Miss Girlie.
Huh?
Miss Girlie. We're here to take you under arrest.
Yeah, excuse me?
We're here to take you under arrest for treason. That's the United States of America.
No, I'm not here. You go that while ago. No, come to me. No, Uncle Donald not sending nothing to me.
No, ma'am.
Mr. Biden sent us here to get you. You're charged for treason.
Charged for reason?
Treason.
Who me reason with? Me is a good reason.
Come on.
What me charge for?
Treason.
What you mean by treason? Me not understand. Explain that to me.
That's all that ballot boxes that you taking for Mr. Donald Trump. That is a serious problem.
Me never take no ballot back for him. And what the fuck me can't lock me up?
Yes.
Me have diplomat community.
No.
So you do not have diplomatic community.
Me say me have diplomat community, so you can't tell me that Uncle Donald tell me
Let's
that.
talking. Let's go.
Either you leave or be forced to take you by force.
Forced to take you back.
Force to take over by force.
Yes.
Who the fuck am I force? Make me tell you something.
Where did she go? Where did she go? Oh man, the chick's gonna have us in problem, man. Where did she go, man? Where she go? I thought you had her. Where she go? Bro, no, we are in a lot of problem, bro. No, we're gonna lose our job for this, bro.
I can't feel my legs.
No, something's wrong. Let's get him. Oh my God. Yo, we gotta get her. We gotta get her. Look, let's look. No, man, this is not real, bro.